Hi guys, you have heard me talk about how much money I made last year selling digital products, and today I am going to spill the beans on the exact rules that I follow to make that happen. Because here's the thing, anyone can download a Notion template or Canva, but actually making sales takes a strategy. And there is a lot of moving parts that go on behind the scenes that you guys don't really get to see. So I am going to break down the 5 core rules and fundamentals that I use every single day in my business to consistently make sales selling digital products. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, these rules are the foundation of my success and they can be yours too. Number 1. Show up daily. Show up every day. Consistency builds trust. Look, sometimes it feels like we are not getting the recognition we deserve or that our hard work is not paying off. But the truth is that what we do today lays the foundation for tomorrow. That quote by Charles Spurgeon, "The key to success is to start before you're ready." It's something I live by, especially when I'm feeling unmotivated. Listen, I don't wake up every morning feeling super pumped to grind. Some days I feel lazy, uninspired, or burnt out. I think we all have those moments, right? But instead of letting those feelings dictate my actions, I remind myself that consistency is key. Yes, I might not feel 100% ready every day, but that doesn't mean I should stop working. Instead, I show up anyway. Because every time I sit down and take action, no matter how small, I'm building momentum. I'm proving to myself that I can do this. You need to understand that visibility is currency in the digital space. People won't buy from someone they don't know or trust. So whether it's posting on social media, emailing your list, or just creating content, your audience needs to see you. They need to get to know you and trust you before they will be willing to buy from you. So I encourage you to make showing up a daily habit. Set aside time each day to work on your digital products business, even if it's just for a few minutes. The important thing is to stay visible, stay consistent, and stay top of mind with your audience. Now let's move on to rule number 2. But before I do, I want to hear from you. How do you stay motivated when you don't feel like it? Let me know in the comments below. Now, rule number 2 is lead with value. Let's talk about this rule. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. So I always lead with value. This means providing helpful, informative, and engaging content related to my digital products. For example, if I'm promoting my productivity templates, I might share tips for getting organized or managing your time effectively. Or if I'm selling social media marketing services, I might post tutorials or case studies showcasing successful campaigns. By leading with value, I'm establishing myself as an expert in my field and building trust with potential customers. This approach has several benefits. First, it positions me as a trusted consultant rather than just a salesperson. When people see that I'm genuinely trying to help them and provide value, they're more likely to listen to what I have to say and take my advice. Secondly, by providing valuable content, I'm educating my audience and helping them solve their problems. This builds goodwill and positive associations with my brand. And finally, leading with value helps me stand out from the competition. There's no shortage of digital products and services in the market. But when I focus on providing real value, I differentiate myself and show potential customers why they should choose me. Here's a quick tip for you. Always ask yourself, what can I provide that's valuable to my target audience? Listen, it's not enough to simply promote your digital products and hope that people buy. You need to provide real value, build trust, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. And when you do that, people will be eager to listen to what you have to say and ultimately more likely to buy from you. Okay, now let's move on to rule number 3. But before I do, I want to hear from you. What's one way that you can provide more value to your target audience? Share your ideas in the comments below. Rule number 3. Build relationships. Engage and build relationships. Sales come from conversations. People don't buy from brands. They buy from people they know, like, and trust. That's why I prioritize building relationships with my audience. This means responding to comments and messages, hosting live Q&A sessions, and engaging with my followers on social media. By building relationships, I create a sense of community and loyalty around my digital products. My audience feels valued and appreciated, and they are more likely to buy from me because they know that I care about them and their success. But it's not just about building relationships with my audience. I also prioritize building relationships with other creators and entrepreneurs. I collaborate with others in my industry, attend networking events, and join relevant online communities. By building relationships outside of my immediate circle, I stay up to date on the latest trends and opportunities in the digital products market. I also have access to a wider pool of potential customers and partners. Listen, building relationships takes time and effort. It's not a quick fix or a shortcut to success, but the payoff is enormous. When you put in the work to build meaningful relationships, you will create a community of supporters who are eager to buy from you and refer you to their friends and family. Remember, sales come from conversations. So don't neglect the power of relationship building in your digital products business. Okay, now let's move on to rule number 4. But before I do, I want to hear from you. How do you currently build relationships with your audience? Is there anything you'd like to improve upon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Rule number 4. Make your offers crystal clear. Confused buyers don't buy. That's why I always keep my offers clear. I know exactly what my digital products are, who they're for, and what outcome they can expect. This means clearly articulating the benefits of my products and the value they provide to potential customers. I also make sure that my pricing is transparent and easy to understand. By keeping my offers clear and concise, I remove any barriers to purchase and make it easier for people to say yes. Look, nobody wants to waste time deciphering what a product does or how it can benefit them. When your offers are clear and easy to understand, people can quickly grasp the value of your product and decide whether it's right for them. This saves everyone time and effort and sets the stage for a smooth transaction. Additionally, clear offers build trust with potential customers. When you're upfront about what your product does and how much it costs, people are more likely to feel confident in their purchase decision. They know exactly what they're getting and there are no surprises. And remember, the clarity of your offers should extend beyond just the product itself. You should also be clear about your ideal customer persona. Who is this product for? What are their goals, pain points, and aspirations? When you paint a clear picture of your target customer, it becomes easier for people to see how your product can fit into their lives and provide value. So let's recap. Rule number 4. Make your offers crystal clear. Keep it simple, be transparent, and remove any barriers to purchase. Your customers will thank you for it. Okay, now let's move on to rule number 5. But before I do, I want to hear from you. What's one way that you can make your offers clearer for potential customers? Share your ideas in the comments below. Rule number 5. Believe in your offer. This may seem like a simple concept, but it's crucial for success. I truly believe in the value of my digital products and the impact they can have on people's lives. I know that my productivity templates and social media marketing services can help people achieve their goals and make a positive difference. And that belief shines through in everything I do. When you believe in your offer, you exude confidence, which is contagious. Potential customers can sense your passion and enthusiasm, and it draws them in. It makes them curious and interested in what you have to say. Additionally, when you believe in your offer, you're less likely to get discouraged by setbacks or negative feedback. You stay resilient and focused on your goals. You know that your product has value, and you're committed to sharing it with the world. Listen, selling digital products can be a challenging journey. There will be times when you doubt yourself and wonder if your product is good enough. But when you hold on to that belief, when you remind yourself of the value you're providing, you can push through the tough times and come out stronger on the other side. So don't ever lose sight of your vision. Believe in your offer, and the results will follow. So those are my 5 daily fundamentals that keep my digital product business thriving. If you apply even just one consistently, you'll start seeing results. And if you're ready to take things further, I got something special for you. Check out my Legacy Builders program, where Michelle is going to guide you through turning your skills and knowledge into a profitable digital business. I will work with you for 30 days. I will help set up the program and answer all your questions, and I promise you will walk away with a fully functioning online business that brings in consistent revenue. In addition, I have a special rebate for the first 10 subscribers every month. Spots are limited. Head over to the link in the description to learn more and apply. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Don't forget to give this video a like. Comment below if you've applied any of these rules already and what your biggest takeaway was. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.